Hello everyone, I am Mahdi Hassan Qureshi from Team at Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. We are a small team with a big conviction. Mental health support should be simple, personal and always within reach. I stand with my teammates, Prahan Dash, our team lead and strategic coordinator, who keeps everything aligned and ship ready. Abiyam Mustaqim Niloy, our machine learning engineer, who makes our AI explainable and reliable. And Kamrun Sumaya, our UX designer, who turns care into clear, gentle experiences. I serve as the principal architect and core builder behind MindBridge. MindBridge is a compass for the mind, a bridge between how you feel and what you can do next. Think of it as a Google Maps for mental health. It figures out where you are emotionally, suggests the best next step, reroutes as life changes, and calls a human helper if there is danger. 1 in 5 adults struggles with anxiety or depression. Most never reach support. Care is fragmented. Stigma is heavy. And the first step is unclear. When someone finally asks for help, they often meet forms, waitlists, or generic advice that misses context. In moments that matter, people need 3 things: clarity about how they are doing, options that fit in their life, and safety when language signals risk. That is the gap MindBridge fills consistently, quietly, and at scale. MindBridge meets you where you are and routes you forward. It listens lightly every day. On the dashboard, a compact daily check-in card sits in the top right. You can lock sleep, mode, and focus anytime, or leave it blank. It resets at midnight, preserves history, and feeds the AI without pressure. It orients with mind map, which merges AI insights and AI chat into a single view. You see a clear current emotional location, contributing factors, and risk level low, medium, or high with plain English reasons. It routes to the next best step, a 4-7-8 breathing exercise, a short journal prompt, or mindful mini-games to regulate attention. If elevated risk persists, it recommends a therapist who matches your needs by specialty, language, distance, and availability. With secure messaging and booking built in, it learns what helps you. If breathings help more than journaling, MindBridge adapts like rerouting around traffic. And it protects. If crisis language appears, it immediately shifts tone, provides safe responses, and offers an instant human handoff and local resources without judgment. Under the hood, we use a hybrid AI approach, clinically grounded, explainable rules today, and TensorFlow.js models ready to train on de-identified, consented data. The stack is Next.js, TypeScript, Prisma, PostgreSQL, Tailwind, and Vercel. Optional OpenAI for conversational support, Google Maps for location-aware matching. MindBridge offers 2 roles, user and doctor. For users, start at the dashboard. The daily cheating card is always available. Lock sleep, mode, energy, and focus. Skip anytime. It resets nightly and preserves your journey. Then open assessments. MindBridge uses clinically validated instruments. PHQ for depression, GAD-7 for anxiety, PSS-10 for stress, along with SPIN, PDSS, and ASRS scores mapped to evidence-based thresholds, and we translate them into clear risk tiers with the reasons and next steps. Open mind map to see your current emotional location, perhaps moderate anxiety, rising in evenings, with protective factors like constant sleep and contributing factors like reduced focus. Have a suggested route, a 2-minute breathing session, a brief gratitude prompt, or a focus minigame. If elevated signals persist across days, MindBridge recommends a therapist who fits your profile. You can message securely or request an appointment directly. As a doctor on MindBridge, I start by creating a professional profile, my specialties, languages, location, and a short bio, so that right patients can find me easily. I set my availability with a simple weekly schedule. I choose the days and time blocks I'm open for appointments, and patients can only book within those windows. Messaging is built in. I can securely chat with my patients, answer follow-ups, and share guidance between sessions, all in one place. For each patient, I can view a concise dashboard, recent assessments like PHQ-9, GAD-7, and PSS-10, daily check-in patterns, and adherence to exercise or games. It gives me context at a glance before I respond or meet. AI insights help me run my practice smarter. It recommends an ideal consultation fee range based on demand and engagement, and shows which days tend to have higher patient traffic, so I can adjust my availability. There's a transparent review system. After a completed appointment, patients can rate me from 1 to 5 stars and leave feedback. My public rating is the average of verified visits, building trust and influencing how I appear in images. On my home view, I see what matters: upcoming appointments, unread messages, ratings trend, and suggested tweaks to availability. It's efficient, privacy first, and designed to help me focus on care, while MindBridge handles discovery, scheduling, communication, and insights. Most tools are either a chatbot, a diary, or a directory. MindBridge is a bridge between them, proactive, explainable, and human. It turns uncertainty into a clear next step for this person right now, and reroutes with care as life changes. Digital mental health is projected to exceed $17 billion by 2030, and early focus is students, young professionals, and workplaces. Universities and clinics can deploy MindBridge to personalize early support, lighten triage, and measure outcomes ethically and safely. We are ready to pilot with campuses and clinics. Next, we will expand multilingual support, train models on de-identified, consented data, and integrate telehealth video. Our aim is simple: fewer silent nights, more guided mornings. MindBridge doesn't promise to fix everything, it promises to walk with you, mapping the next step, rerouting with empathy, and calling a human when you need one. Thank you.